In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use a Digipick in Starfield. So let's get started. So the main purpose of this video is to basically give you an overview on how you can complete the lockpicking minigame. So let's get started. So whenever you have a Digipick in your possession and you attempt to pick a lock, the lockpicking minigame screen will be presented. This features a number of rings with open slots, all of which need to have a key that fits into them. On the right hand side, there are the available keys represented by straight lines, with the aim being to figure out which keys fit into which open slots. The best thing to do is take your time and count how many slots are there to eliminate which keys won't work. Alternatively, if you unlock security level 2, the rings will light up blue when you have selected a key that will fit. Just because it fits doesn't necessarily mean that it will work. However, as you can lock out another key required to complete that ring or the next one. Advanced locks will need multiple keys for each ring, so experiment with lining each up. These keys will be left in place when you try a different one. Make sure to line up keys that work with the outer and inner rings, and that the keys in their respective rings don't have overlapping slots before attempting to insert them, as it will use a Digipick and undoing it will use another. So basically that's an overview on how you can use a Digipick. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.